Yes. So what is the next question? Is my screen visible, ma? Anyone, please inform.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question is, what is the probability for leap year to have 52 Mondays, 53 Sundays? What is the probability for a leap year to have 52 Mondays, 53 Sundays? Yes. Kashyap, Vishwanath Kashyap, 93. 93. Rule number 93. No. Bala Sainath. Bala Sainath. Next, Jyotika. Are you there? Please unmute yourself and respond to my question, ma. Jyotika. What happened to all of you? Kiran Mai?
Ma'am.
Yes, what happened, ma? Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Is
Yes,
my
ma'am.
voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? Jyotika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see here, ma. What is our question? Fourth question. What is the probability for a leap year to have 52 Mondays, 53 Sundays? Okay. So first of all, leap year contains how many days?
366.
366 days. So leap year contains 366 days. Can you convert that 366 days into weeks? 366 days into weeks, ma?
52 weeks and 2 days.
52 weeks and
2 days.
52 weeks and 2 days. Is it right? Okay. Thank you, ma. So is this Sainath? Okay. Jyotika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So leap year contains 366 days. So if we convert days into weeks, so how many weeks? 52 weeks and 2 days. So in
Yes.
52 weeks, there exist 52 Mondays and 52 Sundays. Is it right?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
right? So that's why leave this one aside. Next, what happened these 2 days? So those 2 days may be, yes, how to write those 2 days? What are those 2 days? Using those 2 days, how to write the possible days? Those 2 days may be,
Maybe Sunday, Monday.
Sunday,
or
Monday.
Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday,
Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday.
yes,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday.
hmm,
Thursday, Friday.
yes,
Friday, Saturday.
Friday, Saturday, and
Saturday
Saturday,
and Sunday.
Sunday. Is it right, ma? So there exist how many days? How many consecutive days, ma? Those 2 days constitute how many possible ways? How many possible ways?
7.
Yes. So n of s is equal to 7. Is it right? So leave that 52 days and 52 weeks. So in that 52 weeks, it covers 52 Mondays and 53 Sundays. But we have to find out the probability of a leap year to have 52 Mondays and 53 Sundays. In a leap year, there exists 2 days extra. So these 2 days may be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, and Saturday, Sunday. So that means n of s is equal to 7. But so n of s is equal to 7 in these 2 days. So we have to find out the 52 Mondays and 53 Sundays. So 52 Mondays, 53 Sundays. So how to write 52 Mondays, 53 Sundays. So here extra days are 2 days. So that means no Monday. Is it right? Correct, na? Yes, all of you. Jyotika. No
Yes, ma'am.
Monday and 1 Sunday. Is it right? No Monday and 1 Sunday. Okay. So how many possible outcomes are? How many favorable cases are there? The event
Saturday.
contains only Monday and the events contains only Sunday and no Monday. How many possible outcomes are there? What is the
1.
doubt?
1.
Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday. So that is E is equal to Saturday and Sunday. Is it right? Saturday and Sunday. So from this one, how to write n of E? What is n of e? How many favorable cases are there?
1.
Yes, n of e is equal to 1. What is the classical definition of probability? P of e is equal to?
N of E by N of S.
Yes, n of e by n of s. But what is n of e?
1.
1 by. So n of e by next one is, what is the n of s? N of s is
7.
7. So what is the required probability? Probability of a leap year to have 52 Mondays and 53 Sundays is simple. So what is the answer? 1 by 7. So this 1 by 7 is lies in between 0 and 1. Is it right? And is a positive and is lies in between 0 and 1. So what is our answer is 1 by 7. Okay. So this is the answer. So listen carefully, see clearly. So let E be the event of getting 52 Mondays and 53 Sundays in the leap year. So but a leap year has how many days? 366 days. So if we convert that 366 days into weeks, 52 weeks and 2 days. So these 2 days may be. So these 2 days may be Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday, or Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. Take consecutive days only, not alternative days. Okay. So therefore all are possible outcomes. So then the sample space is. So why we take sample space only these 7? If we take 52 weeks, in these 52 weeks it covers 52 Sundays and 52 Mondays. So that's why leave this one. Just concentrate only on these 2 days. So these 2 days may be all these 7. So that's why write sample space is equal to all these possible days. So that's it. That means from this we can write n of s is equal to 7. So next, in 52 Mondays and 53 Sundays, so it can be written as 1 Sunday and no Monday. So 1 Sunday and no Monday means that is only one favorable case is there. What is that favorable case? Saturday and Sunday is the only favorable case. So that's why n of e is equal to 1. So therefore, if we take the classical definition of the probability, P of e is equal to n of e by n of s, we know that n of e is 1 and n of s is 7. If we substitute those values here, P of e is equal to 1 by 7. So therefore, P of e is equal to 1 by 7. So this is the required answer. Okay. Yes. Next. Fifth question. In a class, there are 10 boys and 5 girls. In a class, there are, all of you please listen carefully my question mark. In a class, there are 10 boys and 5 girls. A committee of 4 students is to be selected from the class. Find the probability for the committee to contain at least 3 girls. In a class, there are 10 boys and 5 girls. A committee of 4 students is to be selected from the class. Find the probability for the committee to contain at least 3 girls. So this is my question. Okay. Yes, Ravinder Reddy. 5B5. Ravinder, please unmute yourself and respond to my question, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ravinder. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, what is our question? In a class, there are 10 boys and 5 girls. Okay.
Yes,
A committee of 4 students is to be selected. See here, first, total how many students are there? Total students, how many students are there?
15, ma'am.
Yes, so that is n is equal to 15. Is it right? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to select 4 students. A committee of 4 students is to be selected. So that means what is the R?
4.
What is the R? R is equal to 4. So R is equal to 4. Next, how to find out the n of s? How many ways are there to choose 4 students from 15 students? What is the formula? What is the formula? Ravinder. Last class absent anukuntanu. Last
madam.
2 classes. Last 2 classes. Is it right?
No, ma'am. Last class.
Only
Not
last
2.
class, huh? So that is the
Yes, ma'am.
combination formula. So here we have to apply the
NCR.
yes,
NCR.
NCR. What is the NCR formula? NCR is equal to, what is the formula? N factorial by
N factorial
R factorial
R
into N minus
N
R
minus
factorial.
factorial.
Yes. What is the N here?
50.
What is the N? 15.
Total.
Please. Yes. 15 by R. What is the R? R is nothing but 4 factorial into 15 minus 4. What is the 15 minus 4? 11 factorial. So take calc and simplify this one. What is the answer? Make it fast. 15C
1365.
Yes, ma?
1365.
1365. 1365 ways. So there are total 1365 ways. So we can write which is equal to n of s is equal to 1365. Is it right? All of you got this one, ma? So first to find the probability of any event, first we have to calculate the number of elements in a sample space. Now here in this question, how to find out the number of elements in a sample space? Total. First identify the n and r. So here in a class there are 10 boys and 5 girls, but in a class total number of students 15, and a committee of 4 students is to be selected. That means we have to select only 4 students. So that's why take r is equal to 4. So after identifying the n equal n and r, next write the number of ways by taking the combination formula NCR. So that is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the combination formula. So if we apply this formula, so here number of ways n of s is equal to 1365. Next we have to find out n of e. So how to find out n of e later. First listen this one carefully. So let E be the event of selecting at least 3 girls out of 15 students, but we have to select 4 students only. So that's why take n of s. So n of s is equal to 15C4. So by taking the formula, so here we get n of s is equal to 1365. Next one is we need at least 3 girls out of 4 students. We need at least 3 girls out of 4 students. Remember B9 Vivek? Vivek. Absent or present? Okay, next Rishabh Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishabh Singh, B4. Rishabh Singh or Vivek?
Yes, ma'am. Vivek.
Vivek.
Vivek,
Okay, so next, what is our next one is n of s completed. Next we have to find n of e. Is it right? So to find that n of e,
Yes,
so what is our question? We need at least 3 girls. Out of 4 students, we need at least 3 girls. So using this constraint, 3 girls constraint, how to write the number of ways? So how to write the number of ways? N of e.
5C,
N of e.
5C3 into 10C1.
Wait. N of e is equal to, so total how many girls are there?
5.
How many boys are there? 10 boys and 5 girls. Is it right, ma? So a committee contains how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
members? 4 members. Is it right? So now here we need
Yes,
at
ma'am.
least 3 girls. Out of 4 members, we need at least 3 girls. How to write the N of E? How many ways?
5C3. 5C3.
No, first to write the clear explanation. 3 girls and 1 boy. We can choose 3 girls and 1 boy. At least means maximum 3 numbers. Is it right? Sorry, minimum 3 numbers. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. N of E is equal to, we can choose minimum 3 girls and maximum 4 girls. So here this committee contains at least 3 girls, means we may choose 3 girls and 1 boy. Is it right? Or
Yes, ma'am.
Or
4 girls.
4 girls. 4 girls means how many boys are there?
0.
How many boys are there? 0 boys. Is it right? 4
Yes,
girls and 0 boys. First write like this, then write the formula. Yes, ma? Now, how to write this formula? 3 girls and 1 boy. How to? 3 girls. Select the 3 girls from 15 students or only 5 girls?
5 girls.
Okay, so that means how to write here? This is equal to 5C3. So this is and into or plus. Next write into. And how many boys are there?
10.
1 boy. So here selecting boys are 1. So select
Okay,
this
ma'am.
1 boy from
10
boys.
boys.
So how to write here? Which is equal to? How to write? Vivek. 10C1. Okay. Vivek, mute అయిపోయాం. Okay, next. So next here we have R. So that's why write plus. Next, select 4 girls and 0 boys. So 4 girls is nothing but 4C4 into next 0 boys. So 0 boys can be written as 10C0. So this is not compulsory. Yes, ma, this is not compulsory. Okay. So we can write it is 1 directly.
Ma'am, 5C4. 5C4, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 5C4.
Where 5C4? Oh, sorry. Okay. Total girls are 5. So 5C4. Sorry. Okay. 5C3 into 10C1 plus 5C4 into 10C0. Yes. Anyone simplify this one and what is the answer? N of E answer.
100.
100. Is it right? Okay. So next to find out the probability. So this is only N of E value. So what is the probability definition? P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. What is the N of E? N of E is equal to 100.
100.
And what is the N of S? N of S is equal to 1365. What is the answer? What is the answer? 100 by 1365 is equal to 100 by 1365. Anyone, ma? Make it fast. Yes, what is that?
In the numerator.
0.07.
Yes, ma?
0.07.
105 in the numerator.
0 point
07.
0.07. Okay, 0.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma?
N of E is 105, ma'am.
105. మీరే చెప్పారు కదా అందుకే అడుగుతాను. N of E is equal to
100 plus 5, ma'am.
Okay, so that is N of E is equal to 105 by 1365 is equal to 0.07. What is the answer?
Yes, ma'am. 0.07.
0.07. Okay, so 0.07. So this is the required probability value. Yes, all of you got this one, ma? Okay, so how to write? Now we may select 3 girls. We may select 3 girls and out of 4 students. So we select 3 girls and 1 by or 4 girls and 0 by. So therefore N of E can be written as 5C3 into 10C1 plus 5C4 into 10C0. So why we write like this? So total 5 girls and 10 boys and remind this one, ma. So R is nothing but plus and is nothing but into. So that's why if we write that formula, so we get N of E is equal to 105. So therefore substitute N of E and N of S values in the classical definition of probability. So then we get P of E is equal to 105 by 1365. So that is total answer is 1 by 13. Okay. Yes. P of E is equal to 1 by 13. Next question. From 6 positive and 8 negative numbers. Listen question carefully. From 6 positive and 8 negative numbers. 4 numbers are chosen at random and multiplied. 4 numbers are chosen at random and multiplied. What is the probability that the product is positive? What is the probability that the product is positive? So this is our question. Yes. Adityan. 5 by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma. So total how many numbers are there? Total numbers.
6 plus 8 plus
6 positive and 8 negative numbers. So total how many numbers are there?
14.
Yes. N is equal to 14. So now here we have to choose how many numbers?
4.
4 numbers. So that means what is the notation of that 4?
14 C4.
R is equal to 4.
4.
So now first we have to find out the N of S. What is the N of S? N of S is equal to, so out of 14 numbers we have to select 4 numbers only. So that is, what is the formula? N of S is equal to 4 14 C4. Is it right?
4.
Yes. What is the 14 C4 value?
14 factorial by
What is the 14 C4 value?
14.
1001.
1001. Okay,
1001.
1001. Okay. So N of S is equal to this one. Okay. Next. Yes. Mute yourself, Adityan. Next one, ma. Pranati. Pranati, are you there? 5B8.
Yes, ma'am.
Today, I think today is 2nd class. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
ఎందుకు రాలేదు మా లాస్ట్ వీక్ అంతా?
I have login problem, ma'am.
ఏమైందమ్మా? ఐడి లాగిన్ ప్రాబ్లమా? చాలా మందికి
Yes,
ఇదే
ma'am.
ప్రాబ్లం చెప్తున్నారేంటి? ఇప్పుడు క్లియర్ అయిందా?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి ఇగ్నోర్ చేయకండి, కంపల్సరీ రెగ్యులర్ గా ఉండాలి. కెన్ యూ ఆన్సర్ దిస్ వన్? చెప్పగలవా నేను ఏమైనా అడిగితే ఇప్పుడు?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now see here, from 6 positive and 8 negative numbers, 4 numbers are chosen. So here let E be the event of 4 numbers and that 4 numbers product is positive. Is it right? What is the probability that the product is positive? Yes, ma. So when we choose 4 numbers, listen, is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if we choose 4 numbers, when that product is positive, how many ways are there? Out of 14, so out of 14, 6 are positive and 8 are negative. So from these 14 numbers, if we choose 4 numbers and multiply that 4 numbers, when that product is positive, how many ways are there? If we choose 4 numbers, okay, and multiply that 4 numbers, when that product is positive, when that product is positive.
2 numbers positive and 2 numbers negative.
Okay, so okay, 2 numbers positive and 2 numbers negative. Is it right? 2 positive and 2 negative.
2 negative.
And or and. Okay. Next, what is the next possibility? Next possibility.
4 positive.
4 positive only. Okay. ఏంటమ్మా బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేయలేదా లేకపోతే ఇప్పుడు లంచ్ ఆకలి ఇస్తుందా? నీరసంగా ఆన్సర్ చేస్తున్నావు. నెక్స్ట్, what is the next possibility? What is the next another possibility?
4 negative.
Yes. So 4 negative. First identify the possible cases. Okay. So when we choose 4 numbers and multiply that 4 numbers, so the product is positive in, if we select 2 positive and 2 negative and 4 positive or 4 negative. Okay. So these 3 are the possible ways. 2 positive and 2 negative, 4 positive and 4 negative. Yes. Mute yourself. Yes, ma. Next. Kiranmai. Kiranmai, B2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kiranmai, yes, ma. Number of ways to choose 2 positive and 2 negative. How to write this number of ways? Means how many ways? How to write? How many positive numbers are there? First of all, 6 positive
ma'am.
numbers. And how many negative are there?
8.
8 negative numbers. Okay. Next, what is our first way? 2 positive and 2 negative. So total how many ways? 2 positive and 2 negative. How many ways we choose 2 positive and 2 negative ways? How to write?
6C2 into 8C2.
8. 6C2 into 8C2. Yes.
8C2.
Yes. Sorry.
420, ma'am.
Yes. 8C2. So what is the value? 420. Okay. Yes. Very good. Next. Next, how to choose these 4 positive numbers?
6C4, ma'am.
6C4. Okay. So
C4.
6C4. 6C4. What is the 6C4 answer?
15, ma'am.
15. Okay. Next. Yes. Next, how to choose these 4 negative numbers?
8C4, ma'am.
Yes. 8C4. What is the answer? 8C4 answer?
70, ma'am.
70.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 70. So number of ways to choose 2 positive and 2 negative is 420. Only 4 positive is 15. Only 4 negative is 70. So how many total number of ways? No? N of E. How to write the N of E? N of E is equal to. How to
Ma'am,
write N of E?
why can't we
ma'am.
choose 3 positive and 1 negative?
Yes, ma. 3 positive
can't
and 1 negative. Okay. So what is your name?
Arun, ma'am.
Arun. If you choose 3 positive and 1 negative, product of those 3 positive and 1 negative is positive or negative? Got it? If we choose 3 positive and 1 negative, suppose if you take 2, 3, 4 and minus 1. So what is the total? Total value is negative value or positive value?
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. Got it? Okay. So what is the N of E? Kiranmai, N of E is equal to 420 plus 15 plus 70. Total answer is
505, ma'am.
Yes, 505. So therefore, how to write the probability? What is the probability? Required
N of-
probability is P of E is equal to,
N of E by N of S.
yes, N of E by N of S. But what is N of E? N of E is equal to
505
by, what is N of S?
By-
N of S is equal to
1001.
1001. What is the total answer? Total answer.
0.5, ma'am.
0.
0.5.
0.5 only. Okay, so thank you. So this is the required answer. Yes, all of you got this one, ma? How to first to find the probability of any event? First, we have to find out the number of elements in a sample space. Next, to find out the favorable cases of an event. So next after finding the favorable cases, next to write the number of elements in that event. So then apply the probability definition and substitute N of E and N of S, then we'll get the required probability value. Okay. Yes, all of you got this one, ma? Yes. Kiran, mute yourself. Yes. So how to write the solution? So in examinations, write clearly like this. Okay. So the product is to be positive if all the four numbers must be positive. First I am taking here event. So all the four numbers must be positive, or all the four numbers must be negative, or two of them must be positive and the other two must be negative. So these are our favorable cases. So that's why first next to find out one by one number of ways. So number of ways choosing four positive numbers is 6C4. Why we write here 6C4? Total number of positive are 6. So that's why take 6C4. So that is equal to 15. Next one is number of ways choosing four negative numbers is 8C4. Why we take 8C4? Choose these four negative numbers from the given negative numbers. So total given numbers, negative numbers are 8. So that's why right here 8C4, that is equal to 70. And number of ways choosing two positive and two negative numbers. So choose two positive numbers from 6 positive and two negative numbers from 8 negative numbers. So that's why right here 6C2 into 8C2. So if we simplify that one, that is equal to 420. So let E be the event of getting the product is positive. So here we have three ways the product is positive and add all the three ways. So that is N of E is equal to 15 plus 70 plus 420 is equal to 505. Next, N of S. So what is N of S? Total number of ways choosing four numbers from all 14 numbers. So here write the total numbers. Total 6 positive and 8 negative. So total numbers are 14. So right, N of S is equal to 14C4. So that is 1001. So therefore, if you apply the probability definition, what is the classical definition of probability? Number of ways by which the product is positive by total number of ways. So that is N of E by N of S. If we substitute the values, we get P of E is equal to 505 by 1001. So this is our required answer. Okay. Next question. A lot consists of 10 good articles, 4 with minor defects and 2 with major defects. 2 articles are chosen from the lot at random. Find the probabilities that. Yes, using this question, can you find out the N of S? Anyone? Make it fast. Find out the N of S and tell me the answer. N of S. What is the total N? నేను క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే మీరు నర్వస్ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారని ఓపెన్ చాయిస్ ఇచ్చాను మా. Yes, N is equal to. What is your answer? N of S 10 na? N equal to 10 na? 16. So total articles. Lot means a group. So a group consists 10 good articles, 4 with minor defects and 2 with major defects. So that means 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16. So that is N is equal to 16. So out of 16, we choose 2 articles. Is it right, ma? So what is the answer? N of S answer. R is equal to 2. So what is the N of S? Anyone? N of S is equal to. How to write?
120, ma'am.
6 is 16 C2. Is it right?
16 C2.
16 C2. What is the answer? 120, yeah?
120.
Yes, very good. Yes, very good, ma. This is 120. Okay. So N of S. Keep it aside. Next, what is our question? Find the probability that both are good. First question is both are good. Okay, one by one. We'll do one by one. First, both are good. So when we draw the two articles and the two articles are good articles only. So clearly mention that both are good. So what is the N of E? If we take E be the event of getting both the articles are good. First question answer. Let E be the event of getting both articles are good. So that means what is the N of E? How to write N of E? How many good articles are there? 10 good articles. So now choose 2 articles from 10 good articles only. So what is the answer? N of E is equal to 10 C2. Yes. What is the 10 C2 answer? 10 C2 is equal to 40. Yes, 45. So N of E is equal to 45 and N of S is equal to 120. What is the first one answer, ma? First one answer is 45 by 120. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 45 by 120. What is the answer? Total.
0.375.
0.375. Very good. 0.375. So this is the first one answer. Simple question. But this is a 5 or 10 marks question, ma, total question. Okay. So first one completed. Next one is both have major defects. Both have major defects. So now if you observe the question, total major defect articles are how many articles?
2.
2 articles. Is it right? So what is the N of E for the second one? N of E is equal to?
2C2.
Yes, 2C2. What is the 2C2 is equal to?
1.
Yes, 2C2 is equal to 1. So what is the answer? Probability answer? Yes, what is the answer?
1 by 120.
Yes. So 1 by 120. Simple answer. Okay. Yes. What about third question is at least one is good. At least one is good. So here we have to draw how many articles? 2 articles. So out of 2 articles, at least one is good means minimum one is good, maximum 2 good undachu. Okay. Minimum one is good, maximum 2. Why we take 2 only? So here we have to draw only 2 articles. So that's why how to write the number of ways here. How to write the number of ways. N of E can be written as how to write? How many ways?
10C1 into 6C1.
Yes. So first write the number of ways. At least one is good means if we take one item is good item and what about next one is? Obviously,
One is
what is
major
another one is
or
defective
minor
item.
defect.
No. Let us consider here minor, major are defective items. Defective items. Okay, na? Yes, ma. So out of total 16 items, 10 are good and 6 are not good. Or 10 are non-defective, 6 are defective items. So now here take one is good item and one is defective item. Or next we can also choose next way. What is the next way? We can also do 2 good items. 2 good items is nothing but what about the other one? 0 defective item. Is it right? So first write the favorable cases. How many favorable cases are there? To choose 2 articles. So out of 2 articles, at least one is good. At least one is good means minimum one is good, maximum 2 good undachu. Is it right, ma? So that's why here number of ways can be written as one is good and one is defective or both. Take both the articles are good articles. So now here one is good article. So total how many good articles are there? 10. So how to write this one, ma? If we write the combination formula 10C1 into, okay,
6C1.
yes, one is defective. One is defective. Total how many defective items are there? 6. So that's why take here 6 into C1. Okay. So here R is there. So that's why take here plus next 2 good items. So how many good items are there? 10. So given the 10 good items. So that is 10C2. Here no need to write the next one. Is it right, ma? 6C0 is nothing but 1 only. So that's why no need to write next one. And what is this answer? Make it fast. 10C1 is
105.
105.
105.
Yes, 105. What is the probability here? What is the probability, ma? Answer is 105 by 105 by 120. Is it right? So this is the third one answer. Okay. Next, coming to the fourth one. At most one is good. At most one is good. This is quite opposite to previous one. At most one is good. How to write? N of E. At most, what is the meaning of at most? Maximum one a good undali.
1 minus 105 by 1.
Is it right, ma? So that is how to write N of E, number of A's. First write the favorable cases. N of E is equal to, don't write shortcuts in examination, ma, write clearly. So here the chances are, so how to choose? At most one is good is nothing but one is good item and another one is defective item. Is it right? Or we can also say that. So we can also write at most one is good, minimum one is good. It is completed. Next, none is good. Is it right, ma? None is good item. None is good item means both are defective articles. Is it right? Have you got it, ma? Fourth question answer. Make it. Try change. So listen here. At most one is good. At most one is good means out of two articles, maximum one a good undali. Lekapaina paravaledu. Is it right, ma? So maximum, if we take maximum one is good. So here we can write in these two ways. If we take one is good item, automatically other one is defective item, or none is good. None is good is nothing but two articles are defective items. Yes. Any doubt, ma, regarding this one? If you have any doubt, I will clarify here now only. No, no.
Ma'am, can't we write 1 minus 105 by 120?
Yes. Answer?
Yes. Can't we write 1 minus 105 by 120 like previous? Opposite,
Which
right?
one, ma? Total
We
answer.
can just write 1 minus. Yeah, is the answer 1 minus 105 by 120?
Yes, we can also write like that also. 1 minus 105 by 120 also. But here use general formula. So don't apply that one, ma. Okay. We can apply that one in short answer questions or multiple choice questions only. Okay, na. So now here, see here. This is a 10 marks question. Listen careful. So that's why write like clearly theory part for theory part. Okay. One is good item. So how to write one is good item is nothing but total good items are 10. So 10 C1 into S. One is defective. One is defective is nothing but 6 C1. Okay. Plus next, what is the next one? Are two defective items. So how to write the total number of defective items are 6. 6 C2. So what is the answer? 6 C2. Total answer is?
75 by 120.
This is 75, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so answer is probability value is 75 by 120.
120.
75 by 120. Okay, next question. Exactly one is good. Exactly one is good.
60.
So
I
what
don't
is
know.
how many possible cases are there? Exactly one
By
is good means out of two articles, one is good. Obviously, other one is defective item. Is it right, ma'am? One is good and one is defective item. So take only what is the possibility. One is good item and one is defective item. Is it right?
1 by
So
2.
yes. What is the answer? One is good is nothing but 10 C1 into 6 C1. Is it right? Yes. What is the 10 C1 into 6 C1?
60.
60. So that is 60 by 120. 60 by 120. So that is equal to answer is 1 by
2.
yes, right.
2.
Next. Next one is neither has major defects. Neither has major defects. Okay. So neither has major defects means how many major defective items are there, ma?
2.
2. So what are the, if we remove these two major defective items, what are the remaining articles? What are the remaining articles? How many remaining articles are
14.
there? 10 plus 4.
14.
14. So let us draw the two articles from 14 articles only out of 14. So there are no major defective items. So that's why what is the N of E? How to write here? N of E can be written as?
91 by 120.
Yes, 91. Na? N of E is equal to 14 C2. Is it
Answer.
right? Ah, okay. Yes. What is the 14 C2? 14 C2 is equal to 91. Na? Yes, all of you. Anyone, ma? 14 C2.
Yes, ma'am, 91.
91. So this is 91. So what is the answer? Neither has major defective. What is the probability? 91 by
120.
120.
120.
Okay. Yes, very good. Next. Neither is good. Neither is good. Can you tell me the answer? Neither is good means how many good articles are there? 10 good
10,
articles. So
15.
now ignore these
10 by
10 good
120.
articles. So how to write? What is N of E? 6C2 only. Is
15
it
by
right?
120.
Yes. 6C2 is equal to 15 by
15 by 120.
120.
120. Very good.
1 by
Next.
8.
Oh, so that is the question one. Now see it solution line by line. Consider that both articles are done simultaneously. Given that a lot consists of 10 articles are good, 4 articles with minor defects and 2 articles with major defects. So total number of articles are 16. So now choose 2 from 16. Then the number of events in a sample space is given by N of S. N of S is equal to 16C2 is equal to 120. So this is our first step in any problem. First we have to find out the N of S. Next go to one by one. So let E be the first one is both articles are good. Let E be the event of getting both articles are good. So N of E can be written as both articles are good is nothing but 10C2. So which is equal to 45. So therefore P of E is equal to number of ways drawing 2 good means N of E by N of S. So that is 45 by 120 is nothing but 3 by 8. P of E is equal to 3 by 8. Second question is let E be the event of getting both have major defects. Both have major defects means so here we have only one way. Draw the 2 articles from 2 major defective articles only. So that is 2C2. Is a sure event. Is it right, ma? Given the 2 major given in a given data we have 2 major defective articles. But here draw the 2 articles and the 2 articles are major defective articles. So we have there is no another possibility. That's why this event is called the sure event. So that's why what is the probability of sure event is 1. So apply the probability definition we get which is equal to 1 by 120. So P of E is equal to 1 by 120. Next what about third one? E be the event of getting at least one is good. So here we may choose 2 articles from which exactly one is good or both are good. So this is our condition. Exactly one is good or both are good. So one is good is nothing but another one is always defective item. So here write defective or bad item or both are good. So how to write the combination formula? N of E is equal to draw the good articles from 10 articles and draw the bad articles from the 6 articles. So 10C1 into 6C1 plus 10C2. So if you simplify this one that is equal to 105 and after finding the N of E next apply the write the probability definition. Next substitute those 2 values will get the answer that is 7 by 8. So P of E is equal to 7 by 8. Next one is let E be the event of getting at most one article is good. So at most one article is good means maximum one article is good. So how to write? We may choose 2 articles for which exactly none is good or one is good and one is bad. So write the combination formula for this one. None is good or one is good and one is bad. So how to write the combination formula? Both are bad or one is good and one is bad or. So that is N of E is equal to both are bad. So total how many bad articles are there? 6. So draw 2 articles from those 6. So we can write that is 6C2 plus next one is 1 is good and 1 is bad. So 1 is good is nothing but 10C1 into 1 is bad is nothing but 6C1. Total number of ways 75. Next apply the probability definition. So we get P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. That is answer is 5 by 8. Next fifth one is E be the event getting exactly 1 is good. So E exactly out of 2 1 is good. So automatically other one is a defective item. So there is only one possibility. 1 is good then the second article must be bad article. So how to write the combination formula? 10C1 into 6C1 that is equal to 60. If we write the formula which is equal to 1 by 2. So probability of an event contains exactly one good article. So that is 1 by 2. So P of E is equal to 1 by 2. Next, sixth one is let E be the event of getting neither has major defectives. Neither has major defective means now here draw the 2 articles from good articles and minor defective articles. So good articles and minor defective articles totally 14. So that's why draw the 2 articles from 14 only. So that is N of E is equal to 14C2. So that is equal to 91. So therefore P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. That is equal to 91 by 120. Go to the yes. Last one is let E be the event of getting neither is good. E be the event of getting neither is good means 2 articles are defective articles. So draw the two articles from 6 articles only. So therefore n of e is equal to 66 C2. So that is 15. So if you apply the formula, answer is 1 by 8. So these are the problems on probability. After completion of the class, next కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేను మీకు అసైన్మెంట్ లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను, చెక్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ అండ్ ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ కూడా నోట్స్ కూడా నేను పీపీటీ షేర్ చేస్తాను, చెక్ చేసుకోండి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద టైం? 1 కంటిన్యూ చేయనా? ఓ 10 minutes ఆకలిస్తుందా? 3 hours కంటిన్యూస్ గా కూర్చోండి, సరదాగా మాట్లాడండి మా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సీరియస్ గా ఉండాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. కంటిన్యూ చేయనా లేకపోతే ఒక 10 minutes అంటే జస్ట్ డెఫినేషన్, లేకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో చెప్తాలేండి కండిషనల్ ప్రాబిలిటీ. ఓకేనా?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so next class I will explain about conditional probability. Yes, ma, that is very important. Conditional probability, theorem on total probability, base rule. 3 theorems నేను రేపు క్లాస్ లో ఫస్ట్ అవర్ క్లాస్ లో కంప్లీట్ చేసేస్తాను. అర్థమైందా? సో రేపు క్లాస్ మిస్ అవుతే మాత్రం తర్వాత నేను ఏమీ చేయలేను. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆన్ బేస్ థియరమ్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. వెయిట్ 1 minute.
1 minus p of e అవి ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా మ్యామ్?
ఎస్ మా, ఏది 1 minus
p of e.
that is contradiction kada. If e be the event
contradiction.
of getting at least 1 is good, e bar is the event of getting at most 1 is good. Is it right? P of e is equal to 1 minus p of e bar, or p of e bar is equal to 1 minus p of e. Correct na? Enduku 1 minus తీసుకుంటున్నాం? Total probability is 1. Is it right? So 1 minus, subtract the remaining terms, then we'll get the remaining answer. Your answer is right ma. నేను
For
wrong
example,
అనట్లేదు.
ma'am,
Example
for example,
చెప్పాలా?
p of e is equals to neither is good. Then p of e bar is equals to what? I
Both
need
are
that.
good. Both are good. అంతే కదా?
బట్ ఆన్సర్స్ లో అట్లీస్ట్ గుడ్ వస్తుంది మ్యామ్. ఇది 1/8 గా, బోత్ ఆర్ గుడ్ కి 3/8 వస్తుంది కదా మ్యామ్ ఆన్సర్.
నేను చెక్ చేయలేదు, నువ్వు చెక్ చేసి చెప్తున్నావా నాకు, లేకపోతే
yes, ma'am.
అడుగుతున్నావా?
చెక్
Wrong
చేసి
వస్తుందా?
చెప్తాను.
రాంగ్ వచ్చిందా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్, రాంగ్
Okay.
వచ్చింది అంటలేను.
అది మీన్స్ నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను మా, నేను చెక్ ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ గుడ్ ఆర్టికల్స్, ఓన్లీ బ్యాడ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ లేవు. అందులో మనకి ఇన్ డిఫెక్టివ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ 2 categories, మేజర్ డిఫెక్టివ్స్ అండ్ మైనర్ డిఫెక్టివ్స్. ఇస్ ఇట్ రైట్?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
సో ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు నాన్ డిఫెక్టివ్ ఐటమ్స్ తీసుకున్నావు అనుకో, నాన్ డిఫెక్టివ్ ఐటమ్స్ 6 లో నుంచే తీసుకుంటావు కదా.
ఓకే,
అర్థమైందా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
ఓకే, ఎస్ మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ. వెయిట్ 1 minute, అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఎస్, ఎవరు లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వకండి అమ్మా. Okay, next class I will explain conditional probability, total theorem on probability. That is very important for base theorem. If we know the total probability, then only we can apply the base rule. Okay? Yes, thank you everyone. Thank you ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, you can left now.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.